So now we are going to make a nut. Like previously we have to set the working directory. Since I have already set it as the same nut and bolt in SRM PROE works, I'm giving OK. Then I'm going to select a new file, part, solid. I'm giving a name nut. I'm taking the default template, give OK. Then I'm selecting an s underscore part underscore solid, give OK. So I'll select the top view and give sketch. Now I'll draw the axis for the sketch. Select the axis line, select the vertical. I'm giving the vertical axis and giving the horizontal axis so that I can get the center. Now go to palette and I'll get the hexagon, double click that and click it inside the screen. Here you can see the scale, that is actually the side, one of the lengths of one of the sides of the hexagon is given as 62. I'm changing that to 45, the same as my bolt, and I'm giving click. So I'm closing the palette and I'm giving my constraints to take this to the center. So giving collinear constraint, taking the center point of this and selecting the horizontal line, center of this, and the vertical line. I can fit it to the center of the axis. Now close the constraints and give refit object to screen. So I'll get the objects like this. Now in case of a nut, I'll make the hole or the circle, the hole in the same sketch itself, so that it will be defined in a single sketch. You need not make it extrude this structure first and then again put a circle and give extrude cut. Instead of doing that directly, you can just select the circle and keeping it at the center. I can give a circle whose dimension is same as that of the shaft, diameter is 45. Give enter and then give a tick mark. Now I got a sketch, the same sketch, that is sketch 1, that contains two parts, a hexagon and a circle. Now give select the sketch 1 and give extrude. So once extruded, you can see that it has been extruded to 34.42 and reducing that to 50, the same as that of the shaft, bolt head, and press somewhere inside the screen, and then you can visualize and then give tick mark. So you can see that the bolt has been made. Now the most important thing is, again, you have to save the file. If you do not save the file, it will not be saved, and it will again create problems. That is, you have to remake it again in order to do the assembly. So give save file. And one more thing I have to mention is that we have not given thread, or we have not done even chamfering for the nut and the bolt. We can give, since you are beginners, this is neglected. We are just making the skeletal structures of the nut and the bolt, and we will be just assembling those.